नमस्कार, पळोवया अपडेट खबरो। केंद्रान गोयच्या मायनिंगाचेर जोडून काढले, मात गरजे वेळार आधार दिलो ना। नवे सरकार हातभार लायतले। अभिभाषणान राज्यपालाक आस्त, अर्थसंकल्पी अधिवेशन सुरू। फुडारी निर्णय घेवपी आसचो पडटा। काय प्रमाणात आडमेळी बुलडोज करची पडटात। एकदा थारायले की फाटी सरप आसना। मुख्यमंत्री पर्रीकाराची हेडलायन्स टुडेच्या टाउन हॉलांत वक्तव्या। प्रताप सिंग राणेक रिटायर जा म्हळो म्हण आमदार आणि 70 ब्लॉकांचे प्रदेशाध्यक्ष जॉनाक आव्हान। आमदार म्हणटा जीपीसीच्या सल्ल्याची गरज ना। राणे म्हणटा आपूण थारायतलो। नार्वेकारान काढलो गोवा डेमोक्रेटिक फ्रंट नवो पक्ष। विधानसभेक घालतलो उमेदवार। नार्वेकाराचो काँग्रेसीचेर फोग। नार्वेकार म्हणटा गोंयचे बरे केल्यार प्रादेशिक पक्षांनीच। इंडियन मुजाहिदीनाचो मुखेली यासीन भटकळाचो गोंयांतूय टुरिस्टांचेर हल्ल्याचो आशिल्लो बेत। दिल्ली कोर्टान घाल्ल्या आरोपपत्रान एनआयएचो दावो। आणि काँग्रेस हिंदू आड वावुरताच, बीजेपी कडच्यानूय सादूर रावात। म्हापशा हिंदू धर्मजागृती सभेंत फुडाऱ्यांचो उलो। मडगांव बॉम्बस्फोट केशीन सुटिल्ल्यांचो सभेंत जाहीर सत्कार। खबर विस्तारान। केंद्रान गोयच्या मायनिंगाचेर जोडून काढले, मात गरजे वेळार आधार दिलो ना। नवे सरकार गोंयांक आधार दितले म्हूण पर्रीकार सरकाराक दिसता। 5 दिसांचे अर्थसंकल्पी अधिवेशनाक राज्यपालांच्या अभिभाषणान सुरवात जाली। अर्थीक अडचणी आसूनय सरकारान चालीक लायिल्ले वेगवेगळ्या येवजण्यांचो राज्यपालान नियाळ घेतलो। सरकाराचो पयशांचो पुराय वेव्हार ई पेमेंट गेटवे वरवीं करपाचो यत्न चल्ला। मायनिंग बंदीचो अर्थवेवस्थेक 20% फटको बसला। रिणूय वाडटा म्हूण आतां प्रकल्प चालीक लावंक प्रायव्हेट पार्टनरशिपाचो आधार घेवपाचे सरकार येवजिता।
The ban on mining by Honorable Supreme Court has put a severe strain on the revenues of the state. The loss to the state economy is estimated to be around 20% of the GSDP. In absolute terms, it works out to over rupees 8,700 crores at current prices of 2013-14, whereas the state exchequer has suffered a direct and indirect revenue loss of around rupees 2,000 crores as on date. My government has time and again appraised the central government on the gravity of the situation and has requested for financial assistance. However, despite our best efforts, central government failed to react in any positive way, even though it has been the biggest beneficiary of iron ore mining and its export from Goa in the past when mining activity was in full swing. I sincerely hope that the new government, which will be formed after the ensuing general elections to the Lok Sabha, will lend a helping hand to the state in its hour of need by extending a liberal financial package to compensate the losses suffered by the state. All payments made by the government agencies, including benefits under various schemes of the government, are made electronically through ECS, eliminating scope for corruption in channels of disbursement. The government is in the process of setting up an e-payment gateway through a united architectural framework. This will enable the citizens to make payments to government agencies through credit card, debit card, or net banking from April 2014. The crime detection rate has increased to 67.3%. I am happy to inform this august House that the infant mortality rate, maternity mortality rate, and total fertility ratio are the lowest in the country. Goa is high on sports after the successful completion of the 3rd Lusophonia Games. My government will provide necessary support and resources for proper maintenance of this infrastructure. The state has proven its ability to organize such mega international events in Goa, and it has been chosen to host the 36th edition of the National Games. I am happy to inform that Goa is being considered as one of the venues to host the Under-17 FIFA World Cup. The state is fully confident of organizing both these events.
फुडारी निर्णय घेवपी आसचो पडटा. निर्णय घेतना कांय प्रमाणांत आडमेळी बुलडोज करच्यो पडटात. एकदा थारायलें की फाटी सरप आसना. मुख्यमंत्री पर्रीकाराची हेडलायन्स टुडेच्या टावन हॉलांत ही वक्तव्यां. गोंयचेर आनी मोदी विशीं तरणाट्यांच्या कांय प्रस्नांक मुख्यमंत्र्यान जापो दिल्यो. राजकीय पक्षांची येणावळ आरटीआय खाला हाडपाक हरकत ना, मात आरटीआयचो उपद्रव करतल्यांचे फावचे ना हें पळोवचें पडटलें हें ताणें उलोवन दाखयलें. ताच्या मिडिया वयल्या वक्तव्याचो विशयूय टावन हॉलांत आयलो.
Seen some people selectively use information. So if you are ready to punish a person who selectively use or misuse an information, I am ready to come under RTI.
But what about the principle and the morality of parties not wanting to come public? Why do you want to hide, for example, who funds you?
No, that is open. That is with income tax. We file with income tax.
No, the income tax returns are not made publicly available.
You can make income tax if you restrict it only to the income source. I think that is no problem.
Who funded you? How much money?
You decide. Then I will support a restricted entry to RTI.
You will support a restricted entry?
Definitely. In certain issues, I don't mind. You want about the income source, I have no objection to it. Money source can be brought under RTI, can be filed with Election Commission and let Election
That's
Commission.
all people want to know.
What makes a politician to attack on media, especially when Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar...
No, I don't understand one thing. If politician can be attacked by media, as long as I don't physically violate you or make allegations which are not totally like you are taking money or something like that, I don't think...
But do you think journalists are poorly educated?
No, no one is fully educated, not even politician. I am not also fully educated. So that is what I am trying to say. My issue was not media or politician at all. It was about understanding our subject thoroughly, your capability of knowledge, how to interpret various news. Don't go by physical news, but please read the meaning of that news.
Okay.
A decisive leader is required. A decisive means not dictator. There are certain decisions which will have to be made slightly bulldozing also sometimes. You consult, see the difference between a dictator and a decisive leader is a decisive leader consults his people and then take a decision and does not waver on that decision. Absolutely. Once you take a decision, don't waver on that. Weigh all the consequences before. But once you do that decision, please don't waver on that decision.
प्रताप सिंग राणेंक रिटायर जा म्हणो म्हूण प्रदेशाध्यक्ष जॉन फर्नांडिसाचेर आमदार आनी पक्षांतलेच वावुरपी तुटून पडल्यात. काँग्रेसीन घराणेशाही चलूंक दिवचे ना म्हूण जॉनान म्हणिल्लें. राणे म्हणटा रिटायर केन्ना जावप तें आपूण थारायतलो. सत्तरींतलो थळावो काँग्रेस ब्लॉक म्हणटा जॉनान असलें कितें उलोवचे पयलीं 4 फावट विचार करचो. आलेक्स म्हणटा कोणे रिटायर जावचें कोणे न्ही हें जीपीसीसीक लागना. बाबूश म्हणटा जाका पक्ष म्हळ्यार कितें तें खबर ना ताणें अशें उलोवप न्ही.
विरोधी पक्ष फुडारी प्रताप सिंग राणे आनी हेर ज्येष्ठ फुडाऱ्यांनी निवृत्त जावचे म्हूण प्रदेश काँग्रेस अध्यक्षान विधान केल्ले. काँग्रेस आमदारांनी ह्या विधानाचेर तिडक उक्तायली. पर्ये आनी वाळपय गट काँग्रेसीनूय जॉन फर्नांडिसाचेर खर टिका केल्या.
अशे तरेचे अध्यक्षान स्टेटमेंट करचे न्हू की प्रताप सिंग राणे निवृत्त जाता तेणी रिटायरमेंट घेवची, कारण रिटायरमेंट जावची हें स्वता प्रताप सिंग राणे जाले आनी पर्या मतदारसंघाची आनी वाळपय मतदारसंघाची जनता आनी तेंचे कार्यकर्ते आनी ब्लॉकाचे सगळे लोक ठरयतले की आमची इच्छा आसा की तेणी अजूनय एक निवडणूक लडोवची अशी आमी तेंच्या कडेन सदांच विनंती करीत आसा. आनी तेणी आमकां केन्ना आपूण रिटायरमेंट घेतलो अशें अजून मेरेन सांगन ना. आतां लोकसभेची निवडणूक तोंडार येयल्ली आसा तेन्ना जनते कडेन सगळे कडेन लोकांची दिशाभूल जातली आनी पक्षाची मोठी हानी जातली तेन्ना अशें जबाबदार मनशान अशी विधानां करची न्हू.
आमदार बाबूश मोन्सेराताकय जॉनाचे विधान मानवले ना. प्रताप सिंग राणे आपलो निर्णय स्वता घेवंक शकता अशें बाबूश म्हणटा.
I think if Mr. Rane is to retire or not to retire, it's only Mr. Senior Rane who should decide on this matter, and not some Tom, Dick and Harry. It is not going to go well with the party people. It is even with the congressmen. I'm sure no one must have appreciated the statement that what the president has made. But first and foremost, it is expected from a person who doesn't have who doesn't have a ground root contact with the masses and the people. Such statement, I don't think it is anything that it is as a shock it is coming on, because such irresponsible statements he's been keeping on making.
जीपीसीसीक राणेच्या रिटायरमेंटाचेर उलोवपाचो अधिकार ना अशें आलेक्स म्हणटा.
In the most fairness of things, I think whatever internal matters are, the party president should not speak in publicly. See, it is an internal matter as far as Mr. Rane is concerned, and I think it is in the fairness of things that it is the people of Satari and it is his decision. So I think per se no one has the right to speak over him. But certainly in the meeting of the GPCC and the meeting of this, we will raise this issue so that this type of things don't get repeated and don't send a wrong message.
केन्ना निवृत्त जावपाक जाय ताचो निर्णय आपण स्वता घेतलो अशें विरोधी पक्ष फुडारी प्रताप सिंग राणेन स्पष्ट केला. ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.
मुंबई नाशिक हायवेचेर जाल्ल्या भयानक अपघातांत गोंयची 3 जाणां आगताक गेली. 2 जाण जखमी जाल्यात. फामील म्हापशां गांवसा वाड्यावयली. आयतारा सांजे हो अपघात जालो. तांच्या गाडयेक फाटल्यान कोणे तरी धपको दिलो. धपकेसरशी गाडी व्हरून झाडाक मारली. प्रकाश आनी प्रफुल्ल शिरोडकार हे जोडपे आनी राखी लोटलीकार आगताक गेली. आवय आनी धूव 2 जखमी जाल्यात. निमणे संस्कार मंगळारा दवरल्यात. आता घेऊया एक व्यावसायिक विसो.